Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. It's day 3 on our European tour, and we've woken up to some bad news. The train is 3.5 hours delayed, so we have to change the route today. We're not going to Bormio, but we are going to Merano. Per-Ole? Merano. Yeah, a little shorter ride today because Bormio will be too long. It's about 4 hours to Bormio, and Merano is only 1.5. So that's a shame, but it is what it is. We're having breakfast, and we're going to relax until we are in Innsbruck. So you watch the intro, and we will talk to you again. We're on the bikes. And that marks the start of the Alps. We are off the Autosug. I call it Autosug yet, but it was a long train ride, a little bit late in the station, about 2.5 hours, and we're in Innsbruck, and we're about to go to the Alps. Like I said on the train, there's a little change of plans. We're heading down to Merano, I think this was called, yeah. Or we're a little bit further, we'll see how late it's gonna be. But right now, just get out of the city and find a place to lunch, because we haven't eaten since breakfast. And it's damn hot, it's 29 degrees. Got to mention that, we're using Kalimoto all the way through Europe. Hopefully it will work a little bit better than the last time we were out with this app. But it's damn hot. It's 29 degrees. Whew. And we need a place to lunch soon. This is the route we had not planned to go, but because of the delay on the train, we have to take a shorter route this day. And tomorrow we're going to take a long route. I think it's 280 kilometers, and we're gonna go up Stelvio. That's gonna be cool. We need to find somewhere to stop, Per-Ole.
Yeah. I just forget to think about that, because I sit and look at everything. We are so damn lucky to can do this.
Do you know what the speed limit is here? 70. Oh, stopped by the police. It's not allowed for motorbikes. Look at that view. Look at that view. hotel booked. We booked an apartment in Merano, 45 minutes away. Yeah, but the weather doesn't look like it's gonna clear up. So let's take the last stint into Merano. I'm pretty wet too, but still smiling. Oh, the weather is really bad. Really bad. Hopefully it gets better tomorrow, because then we're going over Passo. I'm quite looking forward to that. It's been 24 years since the last time I was over Stelvio. It's gonna be great. Oh, I'm so glad that we are not camping. Think of it, if you're coming into a campsite now, everything is wet. Oh. Because we got an apartment. Lots of space, I hope. So tomorrow we're riding all the way down to Garda in Italy. We got 280 kilometers tomorrow, a very long day. And we want to come in about 4 or 5 o'clock to Garda. And the heated grips are on. And I got to mention, we are in Italy. The Ducati is home. You're home, Supersport. It can only get better. Now it's really raining. Ooh, it's pouring. Yeah, so we are in Merano, our destination for the day. It has been very, very wet last 20 kilometers. But we are here and it looks beautiful. But we have checked the weather forecast for tomorrow. That's... Oi! That was close. Pay attention. Pay attention. Yeah, like I said, we checked the weather forecast for tomorrow. It's gonna be good. Oh, I'm wet in my ass. Oh, my bum is really wet. Oh, I can feel water now. It looks wet too. Går bra eller? He's riding without his visor. That doesn't look good. Now it's raining a lot. I can promise tomorrow will be better. The indicator is on Per Ole. This is the worst it's been all day. Jesus, it's raining now. Now we're at our destination. Now on the outside of Merano. Also, Stelvio is that way, and we have booked something here on booking.com. Lots of problems with the GoPro cameras because it rained a lot, and everything we have is soaking wet except our luggage that is in dry bags, but our clothes, our boots, everything is soaked. So we have rented this apartment for the evening. 100 euros, that's cheap. And we ran up to the store to get of course a beer. But every time you're out in rain, when you park the bike, we see blue skies again, and it stopped raining. That's the worst rain I've ridden in for a long time. But we are here, so we're just gonna organize everything, have a few pints, and hang up all our clothes to dry tomorrow. I think my boots will be wet all the way down to Venice now, but that's how it is. So I'm going to check in with you a little bit later. So Per Ole, are you wet?
Yeah.
Are you wet?
I'm still
nuts yesterday and wet today.
nuts.
Yeah, we'll check in a little bit later. Yo, so it's time to say goodbye on day 3 of our European tour. We're in Rabla. Tomorrow we're leaving early. We're leaving at 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to go up Stelvio. It's about 1 hour ride up to Stelvio from here. So now we are drying our clothes because everything is wet, our riding clothes, and we're uploading some files to external hard drives. If you enjoyed this video from day 3 of our European tour, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ding that notification bell. My name is Thomas, with Per Ole, me, simple guy on 2 wheels. Watch the next episode, episode 4. I think it's going to be great. We're going to ride Stelvio down to Bormio and go all the way down to Garda tomorrow. And the weather is looking nice. It's looking very nice tomorrow. So join us on episode 4. See you in the next one. Bye.